Hey guys, it's Joy with Wearable Geology, and today I'm going to be sharing with you the reason why selenite is a must-have crystal. Today we're going to be working on a Tree of Life pendant with a selenite cabochon, and I will be sharing with you the reasons why you need this powerful crystal in your life now. So stay tuned, guys.
Okay, everybody. The 3 reasons why selenite is a must-have crystal. Well, I can tell you from personal experience and owning a lot of selenite, selenite will actually cleanse negative energies from all sorts of different spaces. I have selenite all over my bedroom, and it is an incredible stone that you can definitely feel the difference, the shift in energy when you go from one room into my room. It definitely has a shift, and it's peaceful and absolutely beautiful. Selenite is a great stone because it'll actually cleanse your crystals. So say you don't have time to cleanse and put them in the full moon or give them a salt bath, you can definitely keep selenite nearby and it'll cleanse your crystals. So selenite and sage for cleansing. The powerful vibrations of selenite clears and dispels negative energy. So make sure I get this here. Let's see here. Selenite helps to connect you to your spirit guides, your angels, and your higher self. So whichever spiritual realm that you resonate with, selenite will assist you to get to that higher ascension level that you're looking for. So what I'm going to do here is we are making a Tree of Life. So I have got 16 gauge dead soft copper. I'm going to keep it like this. So it's pretty open so that this will be touching your skin. And then I've got 28 gauge pure copper wire. That'll be the tree. It'll go something like this. This is a really beautiful cabochon. It is 41 by 19 millimeters. It's dome. So we'll definitely be making the back and hammering it down to make this copper much more sturdy, less pliable. And I'm only off a little bit. That shouldn't be too bad. See how I'm off a little bit? Anyway, all right, guys, let's get to some creating. So let me pause this again and try to fix it. Okay, I was able to take off that extra piece of copper, and it's looking pretty cool. That is the front. That will be the back. I've got to fix it. It's all bent out of shape. Got to hammer it down a little bit, and it should be good to go. So there we go. Have that all hammer down. This is how the selenite will sit on it. All right. So I went ahead and unwrapped that. Here we go with our bale. Come on. This is how the selenite was set on it. Like that. All right. All right, as you see here, I'm starting to twist the 28 gauge copper wire to start making the tree for our tree of life. And we'll go ahead and start with number 2. Selenite is a calming and soothing stone, bringing peace and tranquility. Selenite also brings mental clarity, clearing confusion, and helping you see the bigger picture. Keeping selenite in your house to clear stagnant energies is an awesome practice, which we spoke about earlier. Something that I do on a regular basis. So the tree's gonna go something like that, straight up and down. So let's get making this beautiful healing pendant, talisman, or whichever you want to call it, healing crystal. Hey guys, so it's actually the next day in late afternoon and we are still working on this beautiful pendant. I wanted to show you how far we've come. It's looking really good. Now one thing I didn't realize, I half realized and I half didn't realize. I realized when it was too late. The selenite is a super soft stone, and I have noticed that during the making of this, we've had some nicks on our selenite. So what I'm going to do, last night I did a test before I finished it, and selenite is a stone that should not have water on it. It will actually disappear. I learned this personal experience. I have a beautiful selenite desert rose, and I cleansed it one day and I put it in the water and I noticed it started bubbling. So then I went online and I checked really quick and it said, yeah, don't put it in water, it'll actually disappear. So I pulled it out really quick, and it's still beautiful, but it does look soft, like it's been, I don't know, can't explain it. But anyway, yeah, so if you have selenite, guys, do not put it in water. All right. So let's go ahead and finish up on this. I'm going to take off this blue piece of tape. Should I show you the back to see how clean it was coming out, how pretty, with the roots wrapped like that. This is beautiful. So I wanted to show everybody where we're at. It's always really exciting when you get to the end of a project and you've only got I've only got 5 wires left, 4. That's wonderful. Then I will take a Q-tip, a wet Q-tip, and I will go over those scratches and clean those up. And we'll have one of the most beautiful selenite tree of life necklaces, pendants. Hey guys, it's Joy, and just going to give you the third benefit of selenite. And one thing that I'm pretty disappointed, I messed up the selenite stone. At first, when I was manipulating the trunk, the tool slipped and gouged the stone right in the middle and all the way across. Incredible. So after that, I just kind of went through and made it really fast. Had it had been stayed pretty, this would have been like a fantastic pendant. There's the back. The back is nice and clean, really pretty. It came out nice other than the front of the stone. For some reason, I thought it wouldn't do that. I know selenite's a soft stone, but you know, selenite, what it lacks in physical strength definitely gains in spiritual strength and vibrational strength. Stone is incredibly powerful. I put a little oil on it so you could kind of see what it would look like if it wasn't all jacked up, because when it's dry, it's pretty bad. Anyway, the third reason, selenite is associated with the higher chakras, the third eye, the crown, the soul star chakra. Use a selenite during meditation. Hold it near your heart or on the third eye, and you just might feel like when you're really deep in meditation, you just might feel the energies flowing through, which is really beautiful when you get to connect with the crystals, especially when you are connecting with your higher self during meditation. They help facilitate that, which is really beautiful. Anyway, guys, this has been Joy, Wearable Geology. And if you like this video, I'd really appreciate if you would give me a thumbs up, give me a comment below, tell me where you're tuning in from, tell me, give me some advice, ask me some questions. That would be wonderful. Also, I'm gonna, if you feel inclined to, it'd be awesome if you followed my new channel. I know things have been choppy with my videos, but I'm trying to get better, and I think things are improving each time. And let's see what else. I'm going to leave a link to my website down below so you can see my other projects that I have going on. I'm also going to leave my Instagram so you can kind of see where I've started in with Instagram from there. And I'm also going to leave a link for a Gmail. So if you wanted to reach out to me and you have a custom piece in mind, just give me a holler and I will definitely be honored and make you a beautiful piece. Again, guys, it's Joy with Wearable Geology, and I hope you have a lovely, blessed day. Anyway, take care, guys. Bye-bye.